Hi guys, I haven't looked into oil yet. I haven't gone to the mall, and well, up to this ho Bobo. They kept on saying that my Wi-Fi was that I sold my Wi-Fi even before the promotion. Thank you. I still have the box of my Wi-Fi, and I can complain you to the to NTC. But well, anyway, I'm looking to oil, and probably it would settle down below $100. Now, if ever it's going to get a high of $105, so that's it. 105, 102, 95, 96, 94. I'm banking on like 92 and $89 as I said. Well, I have a video of it, and I'm waiting for Edna. Those were my grandmother's former secretary Nancy, and I'm asking for where Leffy lives, and so that they can give me a statement that Liwa benefited from my allowance, so that she will not accuse me of stealing $200 and 2,000 pesos. That's too much. I never did anything like that. And so that's it. And the girlfriend of Bob Pipiton, fuck you a-hole. I'm running the streets, and whatever challenges you throw back to me, I'm going to pay you double because you want me to look like a hobo bobo. I already paid for that. What else do you want? So just get fucked because that's what you are for. You didn't even have the internet. You're just you're just walang ginawa kundi siraan ako. Bye.